Replacing windows in your home is a significant investment that can enhance your property's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. However, this process comes with its share of potential pitfalls. Many homeowners in Gaithersburg unknowingly make mistakes during window replacement that can lead to higher costs, delays, and even compromised functionality. To help you avoid these challenges, we've outlined some of the most common mistakes and how to prevent them. Failing to choose the right type of windows. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of windows for their home. With the variety of options available, including double-hung, casement, bay, and sliding windows, it's important to consider not only aesthetics but also functionality and energy efficiency. How to avoid it? Work with a professional who can guide you in selecting windows that fit your home's architectural style, local climate, and your lifestyle needs. For example, energy-efficient windows with double or triple glazing are a smart choice for Gaithersburg's varying seasons, helping you stay warm in winter and cool in summer. Neglecting energy efficiency. In an area like Gaithersburg, where temperatures can range from chilly winters to hot, humid summers, energy efficiency is crucial. Choosing windows without proper insulation or energy-efficient glass can lead to higher energy bills and an uncomfortable home. How to avoid it? Look for windows with ENERGY STAR certifications, low E coatings, and high-performance materials. These features reduce heat transfer and improve indoor comfort year-round. Ignoring local building code. Another common mistake is overlooking local building codes and regulations. Gaithersburg, like any other city, has specific requirements for window installations to ensure safety and compliance. Skipping this step can result in fines, delays, or even having to redo the work entirely. How to avoid it? Hire a licensed and experienced contractor familiar with local codes. They will ensure your project meets all requirements, saving you headaches down the line. DIY installation without experience. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window replacement is not the time to experiment. Improper installation can lead to drafts, water leaks, and structural issues, negating the benefits of your investment. How to avoid it? Trust professionals for window installation. Experienced contractors have the tools, skills, and knowledge to handle the job efficiently and correctly. Choosing the lowest bid without considering quality budget is a critical factor in any home improvement project, but choosing a contractor solely based on the lowest bid can backfire. Cheap materials and inexperienced installers may lead to problems that cost more to fix in the long run. How to avoid it? Compare multiple quotes, but don't focus only on price. Look for contractors with solid reputations, positive reviews, and a history of successful installations in the Gaithersburg area. Poor timing and weather considerations. Gaithersburg's climate can be unpredictable, and scheduling a window replacement during extreme weather conditions can delay the project and compromise the quality of the installation. How to avoid it? Plan your project during mild weather seasons, such as spring or early fall. Additionally, work with a contractor who has contingency plans for unexpected weather. Not accounting for future maintenance. Some homeowners fail to consider the maintenance requirements of their new windows. Materials like wood may require regular upkeep, while vinyl and fiberglass are relatively low maintenance. How to avoid it? Discuss maintenance expectations with your contractor and choose materials that match your willingness and ability to maintain them. Overlooking aesthetic harmony. Windows play a significant role in your home's curb appeal. Installing windows that clash with your home's style can diminish its visual appeal and resale value. How to avoid it? Choose windows that complement your home's architectural design. Consult with a designer or contractor for recommendations on frame styles, colors, and finishes. Skipping a detailed contract. A vague or incomplete contract can lead to misunderstandings, unexpected costs, and disputes during the window replacement process. How to avoid it? Ensure your contractor provides a detailed contract that outlines the scope of work, materials, timeline, and warranty information. Review it carefully before signing. Not considering noise reduction. Gaithersburg can be bustling, with busy streets and active neighborhoods. Some homeowners forget to prioritize noise-reducing features when replacing windows. How to avoid it? Opt for windows with soundproofing features, such as laminated glass or insulated frames, to create a quieter indoor environment. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows in Gaithersburg is a valuable investment, but avoiding these common mistakes can make the process smoother and more rewarding. By focusing on quality materials, professional installation, and thoughtful planning, you'll enjoy the benefits of beautiful, energy-efficient windows for years to come. When you're ready to start your window replacement project, consult with trusted professionals in the Gaithersburg area to ensure a seamless experience. With the right team and preparation, you'll avoid costly mistakes and achieve outstanding results.